What's up, guys? It's your boy Jim. We're back at it again. Another cooking video. This time, we're going to do another kind of YouTube, I would say, celebrity recipe here from the man, the myth, the legend, Jerry Banks. Now, he has a claim to fame recently that he has made the $1 trillion burrito. And this man has some ingenuity. I'll give him that. He decided to take a mixture of dishes from various fast food restaurants such as Taco Bell, Del Taco, and Jack in the Box and make a burrito by combining it all, putting different sauces in there, and I was impressed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own kind of burrito setup here and see if I can maybe compare to that greatness that he showed in his video. So Jerry Banks, this one's for you. I'm going to try to make my home style $1 trillion burrito at home, and let's see what I can whip up. So let's get started with some of the freaking ground meat, and yeah, we'll jump right into it. All right, so what we're going to start out with is a little bit of 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef here. We're just going to cook it up in the old pan, add some taco seasoning and some chilies to it, kind of let that simmer down a bit to get basically taco meat. And yeah, that's going to be our first step here, and freaking private selection from Kroger. Tell you what, good stuff. Now, while this meat heats up here, I'm going to show you what I'm using. I'm using a freaking Cholula seasoning mix. Get the old garlic chili taco, or chili garlic taco. I haven't tried this before, so first time for everything, right? So we're going to go ahead and check it out. The meat's starting to get a little brownish. Let it cook a little bit more, and then we'll add this here packet of seasonings.
Let's see. Can I do it? Wait. Oh, a little toss action. A little Kmart special.
I feel like I should be working at Sam's Club doing those special meals you get in the aisles. Alright, YouTube, so we got most of the meat here kind of brown. They're still a little pink, but I'm not too worried because we're going to still basically, in a sense, almost boil this. I'm going to go ahead and drain some of the fat, and then we'll go ahead and get some Cholula seasoning mixing in. And watch this. Check this out. Ready? Yeah, look at that. We got that freaking chili garlic taco mix from Cholula in there. Oh yeah, it's smelling great. And we're going to go ahead and pop open this can of Ortegas and put it in there. I just learned there's a different way to open cans. I might be the most naive person in the world, but I never knew you could put it on the side here. You just freaking crank it around town on this bad dog. And look at that. I never knew that. Freaking, we learn something new every day. All right, chili's in. Oh yeah. Dispersion. Now this isn't quite the same flavor that Taco Bell will have, or probably any of the fast food places, but you know, you gotta make do with what you got. You know, it might not be as tasty for some, but for me this will be just fine. All right, we're just gonna let this here simmer down a bit, get that kind of flavor melded with the meat, and yeah, I'll check back in when this is closer to being done. All right, YouTube, we're gonna call that good on the old taco meat. We're just gonna go ahead and set this on a cool burner here. I'll bring out the rest of my fixins and we'll get assembled into this beautiful burrito. All right, now for the old burritos, the outer end, what are these? The burrito wraps. You can heat them up on your stovetop. I got one of them electric stovetops, and it's just the thing. Teflon pans. I'm not going to put Teflon in my system. I already got enough microplastics and crap in there as it is. So I'm just going to throw it in the old microwave for, what is it, like 5 seconds? Whatever the directions say. Oh, freaking 30 seconds. That's a bit long. But we're only going to do we're going to throw it in the microwave for like 15 seconds. And yeah, we'll start assembling it. Check out the spread. We got lettuce, sour cream, enchilada chicken, made that yesterday, Taco Bell taco shells, Baja taco sauce, jalapeno peppers, black beans, corn fixins. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Now while this is going, we gotta think of a strategy, okay? Because there's gonna be a lot of stuff in here, and this is one of the reasons I'm gonna be doing 2 freaking burrito wraps to make one mundo burrito. You see? We're just gonna partly overlay these. Ooh, nice and warm. All right. So here's what I'm working with here. So we're gonna start off adding some of that meat we just made. Nice little section here. I gotta be careful. I can't overdo this, you know. It's gonna be a lot as it is. So I think that's a decent amount. A nice helping of that meat there. And then we're gonna go ahead, add some of our enchilada chicken to the mix, you know. Little actions to add jackson from the chicken. Now we're just gonna, this has been kind of cold, so we'll heat this up in the microwave. No worries at all. It's kind of a red enchilada, a little bit different than my last video, but just a slight variation. You could easily do it. Boom. Chicken on the burrito. All right, tubes. Here's where the questions come in. So Jerry, he put like tacos in his burrito, tostadas, all this great stuff. And so I'm gonna try to match this greatness here by just getting one of these taco shells, or two, and just kind of shoveling this in there. Whoa, okay, I'm liking that. I'm gonna go this side too. So a little action there. We'll be able to fold it. Okay, we'll condense a little bit. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling that. All right, so I'm feeling like dividing this a little bit, you know, making sure we're not too overcrowded in one spot of this burrito. I'm thinking next we add some wonderful black beans here. We're just gonna go ahead and pour a little bit on like so. I don't know if you can really see them here. Action shot. Beans. Next up on the menu, let's get some lettuce on here. You see? You feel me? All right. Now you don't want to put lettuce straight out of the bag like this. You definitely want to give it a clean. I'm gonna remove just the first one here, and yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get one of these big old leaves all cleaned up in the sink, and we'll slap it on there. Okay, a little bit of lettuce action here. So a little wet, but nah, it will be fine. It'll be juicy. It's gonna be a juicy burrito. That's what we're looking at here. All right, so we got our meat here. Oh, I'm gonna change the frickin' angle on this bad dog. Okay, because we're working on this side. All right, we got lettuce, we got meat, beans. Let's hit it with the corn fixins, because corn fixins are pretty good. Check that out, freshly made. Gonna just dig right into them. Get a nice helping of corn on there. Heck yeah! Oh, it's spilling on the ground. That's okay. All right, look at that. That's looking mighty fine. Corn fixins on the burrito. Check. And next up, we're gonna hit it with some freaking sour cream. Now, I'm a fan of sour cream, so look, you know what? You could kind of spread it right out on these taco shells. Ooh, that's kind of ingenious right there. So you're not getting all of it on your spoon. Hey, all right. So we got our. Oh, but now I got freaking taco seasoning in my sour cream. Well, it is what it is. So boom, sour cream on there, no problem. And we're narrowing down. We only got a few more ingredients here left for this $1 trillion burrito idea. Add a sprinkling of cheese. We don't want to go too much, you know, not over the cheese line here. I think that's pretty good. That's a nice little orange color to it, you know. Look at that, it's beautiful. We're almost done. Fresh jalapeno pickled peppers, nice little spice. Like I said before, I'm not a huge fan of spiciness, but I do like a little bit of spice, and these pickled ones add a nice little vinegary flavor. All right, I'm just a little line, you know, keeping it neat. And we're gonna hit it with some of this freaking salsa verde. That's a nice little action here. Ooh. Yeah, oh, that's good. That's great, actually. And last, but certainly not least, freaking one of my favorite Taco Bell sauce, Taco Bell Baja. I don't know what they put in it, but it must be like crack cocaine, because it is good. We're gonna slap ooh, that's a lot. A good helping on there. And let's take an aerial view here. Drone shot. Look at that. That is my hand. Hand for scale. How about this? Onion powder for scale. That is a large helping of mound of food. And we're going to see if I can roll this up successfully. And, yeah, give it an old taste test. All right, tubes. I've been watching Qdoba videos for a long time. I've been training for this. Where do I even attack? All right, we're going to start doing a big fold here. Oh, yeah, Oh, we're losing meat. Oh, doctor. We're losing meat, doctor. Okay, we're just going to keep rolling. Keep rolling with it. Oh, no, it's falling to the ground. Oh, no, it's on my shoe. All right. Boom. Freaking thick barrel here. We're going to kind of crunch it down here. Fold in one of these sides. Let's just do this one here. Oh, yeah. We are rocking it. And we're going to go ahead and heat this up in the microwave for about 2 minutes and see how it goes. I have not eaten, okay, I've not even seen this large of food in a long time. This is, this is something. Now let me grab my cat for scale. Look at this. Look at it. Just burritos as big as her. I wouldn't recommend you eat it. It'd probably explode with all those calories. All right, we're here. Man, I don't know if I can do this, kitty. This burrito's a little daunting. I agree with you. I'd run away too. But there's no time like the present, right? So this is in response to that Jerry Bank burrito. Woo, it's a little hot. But let's see if we can get ourselves a bite. All right, we're just gonna lean this on the plate here. Well, it's got a lot of flavors in there. Woo, it's got a little kick to it. Soda streams is bubbly water and lime juice. Great combo right there. Good for you too. Maybe not for your team, but it is what it is. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat the whole thing, but here I'll record it, speed it up for you, and we'll do a short little review at the end. Now, a man like Jerry would not need a fork for this. He is a true man of mastery when it comes to burritos. I am, as much as I like to have sauce fall over me and the grease ray down upon my skin, making it glistening in the ever-present sunlight, I will prefer to eat the remaining with a fork and a knife. But hey, check out that cross section. You can't even see. Check out that cross section as I spill food all over the table. Woo! Must be some of them chilies in there and jalapenos, because hot diggity, it's got some kick. There you go. That could have been really bad. There's a nice crock section. Look at that. Look at that meat. Ooh. Steam here, check it out. Oh yeah. That's steaming. It got some chicken and beef there. Nice little chili peppers. Oh, got Taco Bell shit. Taco Bell shells in there, very nice. Tell you what, this is at least like a 2-meal burrito if I didn't try to eat this whole thing at once. And hey, I got extra ingredients. I got enough enchilada chicken from last night for a whole week. I just made ground beef that'll last us a couple days, and corn fixins. You know, it's not bad to prepare all these kind of side things, and then you can use them in kind of any dish you want. And it's fun. Mix it up. It doesn't have to be the same every night. But cheers. Water's good. You know, quick tangent. bubbly water, like if you get a soda stream, is so much better in my opinion than getting the canned bubbly water. I don't know, they put like some preservatives or something in the can, even just a straight regular flavor, just tastes off. But this stuff, just straight bubbly water from like your tap or from home, great stuff. Alright folks, last bite. I'm gonna need to take a walk. Well, that was certainly an experience. That was such a wild roller coaster of flavors in there. Like there was like we had chilies, jalapenos, chipotle. Corn was good. Had a nice kind of different texture to it. Ground beef, chicken, those are good. Chicken was a little spicy, but as for the price, $1 trillion, I wouldn't say quite at the level of $1 trillion. It was good. I did mess up a little bit. Slight issue. I microwaved the lettuce and was all wilty and kind of weird to me. It's a texture thing. It's the flavor was fine. It's just a texture thing. But yeah, it was decent. Not bad. I'd give it like a $50 burrito. If you buy that at a store, it will probably be around $50. I gotta say, there was a lot of stuff in there. 2 burritos, wraps, all that stuff. $50 burrito. You know, for a first try, I'll take it, and I'll bow my hat to Jerry for the $1 trillion burrito. I understand our powers are just too far apart at this point. So, as they say, it is what it is, tubes. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate your time. And if you liked the video, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, heckin' right. See you guys in the next one, and it's time to go for a walk. See you later, guys. Peace out.